All right, today we have cachava. I'm gonna tell you all how to make cachava taste really good. If you watch the website, or if you look at the website and all that good stuff, you'll see that they use water. Don't use water, it's gross. Using almond milk is way better. I use unsweetened almond milk. I do about half one of those big mason jars there, roughly. I do my 2 scoops. All right, 2 scoops. Now I just add a tiny bit more. All right, and then I use my good blender. This is how you make cachava. All right. There you have it. Perfect.